My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. So today's topic for this video is right to privacy. So the purpose of this video is to speak about right to privacy. So we all know that Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, it deals with right to privacy. So Article 21 of the Indian Constitution states that no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. So Article 21 of the Indian Constitution also provides us the right to left alone, which means the right to privacy. So Karak Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh is an important case that has to be analyzed. So in Karak Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the statement the right to left alone was first used. So another important case that has to be looked into is R. Rajagopalan versus State of Tamil Nadu. In R. Rajagopalan versus State of Tamil Nadu, here the Supreme Court held that right to let alone is a right guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So a citizen has a right to safeguard the privacy of his own, his family, his motherhood, as well as the procreation and childbearing and education, among all of the such matters. So no one can publish any of these mentioned things or these mentioned matters without his or her consent. So the Indian Contract Act 1872, in this act, it deals with the contract formation and or the laws relating to contract in India. So there are certain ways in which certain informations of the parties to a contract can be kept as confidential manner. So by inserting the confidential clause in the contract, any unauthorized disclosure by any of the party to the contract will result in a default. So right to privacy is also mentioned under the law of tort. So and also Information Technology Act also mentions about the action that can be taken when the personal data are being misused or being wrongfully used, etc. So copyright violation, which is dealt under the intellectual property rights, can be also be held as an unauthorized use of personal data of a person without his or her consent. So one of the important case that has to be looked into here is People's Union for Civil Liberties, that is PUCL versus Union of India. So this case is also known as telephone tapping case. So in PUCL versus Union of India, here the Supreme Court clearly held that telephone tapping is a serious invasion of an individual's right to privacy, which is a part of the right to life and personal liberty, which is enshrined under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So and it should be resorted to by the state unless there is a public emergency or intent of public safety requires. So case Puttaswamy versus Union of India is another important case which has been dealt with this right to privacy, which has been guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So therefore, it is clear that right to privacy is an important right guaranteed under the Indian Constitution and it must be protected. So this concept of this right to privacy makes it clear that no one shall have the right to interfere into the privacy of another person without his or her consent or in an unauthorized manner. So we have discussed about, or we have analyzed in detail regarding the concept of this right to privacy. We had looked into certain important case laws and the laws which is being dealing with this right to privacy and many other things. So hence we have analyzed the concept of this right to privacy and the important case laws. So that's all about the topic. So by saying these words, so I'm concluding. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Lexcliq. So please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions relating to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box and I will be replying as soon as possible. So this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I'm concluding. Thank you.